Hello and welcome to another episode of Avarian Mail. I am LastofAvari, and of course a lot has happened since the previous episode. For example, I have bought a new mouse and keyboard last year. You may have been aware of that if you follow me on social media, but this time, instead of all of these small things, I have decided to make a video about Avarian PC Upgrade 2023. I was making some progress, but simply unboxing a motherboard wouldn't be interesting enough either, so I figured I'll get all the required pieces, so today I will be able to show you this, and this, and this. Oh, wait a second, I've almost forgotten one other box. This one. So what do we have here? Obviously everything, all of this, because I'm switching platforms and going straight to AM5. AMD Ryzen 7 7700X was the first part that I've bought. After that, across several months, G.Skill 32GB DDR5 kit and Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 CPU cooler were acquired too. And then, very recently, this Asus motherboard has become the final piece. It's a tough gaming B650 Plus. It's actually my first ever full-scale ATX motherboard. I have figured that 3 M.2 SSD connectors would be quite useful for the future upgrade path. So this is what we have. The main point of moving from Intel to AMD for me personally was that I've got very tired of Intel switching CPU sockets every other generation. AM5 seems to offer a more long-lasting solution. Of course, time will tell, but I am pretty excited. Here my upgrade starts. Let's go! So this is how my PC upgrade went. So far so good. There are a couple things that I will probably adjust. I'm not really interested in overclocking, so the first thing that I've done was disabling some crazy boost features. Performance is nice. You can hopefully see that on Division 2 CPU is only Ryzen up to around 30-something%. And I suppose the next major goal would be upgrading my GPU from the current GeForce 1660 Super to something a little bit better. But that's a task for another year. Your comments are appreciated as per usual. If you like the video, you know what to do. Sharing it on social media always helps. It was LastofAvari, thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you later.